Hello.
We're gonna take you off the aircraft.
You too.
Yep, you're gonna have to get off the aircraft.
Yeah,
okay?
and you're out there,
Yep.
and I compliment you in that way, man.
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're gonna have to get off the
They
aircraft.
made us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is. But right now, I'm gonna
And
need you.
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay, so I'm gonna need you to grab your bag and just
And
step
I did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your
No,
bag.
you know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever gonna put your hands on
Grab
me,
your bag.
no, I will grab my bag. But you know I'm gonna sit here and zone up.
Listen, no one's
And
gonna
if
put their hands on you unless
all
you
right,
have to.
yeah, you
Grab your
won't.
bag and
Yeah,
just step off
you
the-
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No. You
Okay?
need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm
No, I'm gonna do what I
Calm
need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do, and if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right?
You
So
ready?
I'm gonna say what I am meant to say.
Right.
No to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Yeah, everybody is
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not
I'm
stop.
already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the
I'm
aircraft.
probably already gonna get.
If you want to get arrested,
I really
then
honestly,
stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can.
I'm
do
gonna ask
your
you one more
duty.
time, and then I'm gonna have to put my
But-
hands on you. Okay?
For what reason?
Because you're not
Let me
listening.
ask you that. You're gonna put no. And that's fine. That's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me,
Okay,
though?
let's go, Roy. Come on.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am.
What am
stand
I
up.
doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me? Seriously,
tell me
though,
the
can you tell me that?
Tell me deep
Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive? Why do you seriously though?
Yep. Get them
Like
off.
seriously, why? Can you just tell me that? Like I'm actually asking you as a
At this
person.
point, here's what's happening. They're gonna deplane the aircraft. I'm gonna take you off the
That was
plane,
already happening. Don't
and you're going to jail. Just so you
That was
know.
already happening.
It won't happen
Okay.
if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not
I
going
don't-
to,
Trust
Yeah.
that.
Right now, they're gonna deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail. Okay? If you do not get up, that's how it's gonna work.
Do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is,
That's
man.
not cool.
Are you
I
gonna-
want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Okay, get off the
That's
plane.
not
Come on.
healing.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're okay.
Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off the
gonna? Can
aircraft.
I trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's
Right
all
to
we're
get
trying
me
to
off
do.
to do a control situation. If I get off the plane,
No.
you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
we're
Yes,
trying
yes.
not
Right?
to arrest
No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain. Tell him we need to
No,
remove her.
it really is. though. That's my rights. Like you need to. No,
Sit.
we're getting to the point where you're not you're not respecting my human rights
Let's
as a
go.
constitution. That's not cool.
You're done.
I didn't do anything that did anything to. No, man, that's not okay, dude. That's not okay. You know it.
29 Central,
No.
10:15.
Why did you have power? You ever been in power?
Get over here. Up against the wall. You're going to be placed in handcuffs, okay?
I see your phone.
I didn't do anything.
yeah, we tried talking to you.
No, you really didn't. I talked back to you and I was calm. And you honestly
behind your
acknowledged
back.
me for a moment and then you didn't.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that. You didn't have to like that. You
Okay.
didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with me.
No, man. This shit is fucked up and you are probably stupid. You do. You do. You do. Yeah, I saw you look at me in my eyes. That's not real, man. That's
Just grab her bag.
real, man.
Is there a bag on there?
Yeah, she had a green backpack.
That's not real, man. I know it's not real. You just said it like that and walked out and you
You have a backpack?
Why did you talk to me like that? I didn't do anything wrong. I was
Let's
just
go. This
being
way.
my
This way.
mind, man.
We didn't have time to be
Why
playing.
are you doing that? See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up,
stop.
No. Why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them?
You had your chance, ma'am.
I had my chance. You didn't need to give me a chance. I
you-
looked at you in your eyes and I knew you were lying to me. No. Don't. You can't bullshit, sugar. That's funny. No. That was the resistance that you felt. No.
I asked you 5
You're
times
better
to
than
get off
that,
that plane.
dude. You're
I asked
better
you
than that.
5
I
times.
saw you outside before I even came in with your mask off. No, you're better than that. That's not
Put it
cool.
in.
That's not cool, dude. It's really not. It's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is not
Better to-
no, that's not okay. You're gonna fucking arrest me for what? What are you arresting me
Interference with flight operations, trespass. That's what you're getting arrested for.
for?
Okay?
You know I'm furious right now.
Yes, we are. We're just gonna pat her
I have
down
a
real quick.
fucking cat and you know I'm doing like what?
Alright, do me a
I'm
favor,
gonna
go
pat
in
you
your
down.
stance for me, please, alright?
What? Do anything. You're mad. This system is fucked and you give me all the reasons to keep saying it like that. Like in the eyes you
Is this
give me,
open or not?
you do. Like really all of you, you know you're fighting for a system that isn't just to you all. You do, you know that. You know that. You really do. And if you don't, then that's just fucked up. I'm like,
Hey, have a seat.
how
Watch your head.
why?
Yeah, it's been a lot of talk. I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's gonna act now, but she's been chirping the whole time. So we'll see how it goes. All right, ready to step out? Are you gonna comply with everybody?
No, with you too, yes. Not with you, because you're a liar.
Okay.
No, he said literally the reason he has me arrested right now is fucking lies. You looked at me in my eyeballs. I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You didn't have masks
No.
on. No, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say? And then I can say what I have to say, and then that's I will do what y'all want me
take
to
her
do
out?
because I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
No, it's
Here.
I don't get it doesn't matter about that. What matters is that you've been an unjust officer that's abusing his power, and you need to know that, Timothy.
Hey, can I
RSW, my mother's a social worker, and you're about to like really because you made eye contact with me before I ever got on that plane. You acknowledged the fact that you weren't wearing a mask.
Hey.
And then you got on the plane, and then you made eye contact with me, and then you manipulated the situation. No, that's what happened. Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So, I know the.
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Anybody? No, I'm not complaining, you guys. Y'all just. And, oh, you think he's cute? Oh yeah, I thought he was cute too. I looked in his eyeballs, and I thought he looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
And this is an
Interference with flight
No,
operations.
seriously,
Trespassing,
please
that's a
just
warning.
get somebody.
Her name is
What's your name?
Gabrielle.
I don't want to tell you anything until you so when I'm saying that I am being arrested for things that are unjust. I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking my mind. I should not be arrested right now,
But
man.
right now, we have to follow procedures and we'll get to the bottom of what's happening.
You're not following my human rights. These are my constitutional procedures, okay? But I need to follow your procedures,
Step out.
right?
Step out. Take your leg out.
Can I have your name, please, first? Can we just adopt something
Okay.
that makes me want to be safe? Why can I not be safe?
Hey, this
Why is this like this? This is not my human rights. Stop. I would relax if you would let me. You're not.
Is she good?
Oh